Hey guys, to try news here. It's day 2. We had a good night's sleep. We had some good breakfast. And now we're gonna find out about an excursion that we booked prior to coming on board. So we're gonna go up to the excursion desk to get more information on where to gather and just, everything concerning that. But it's been good so far. Good experience, learned a lot.
Slept like a baby.
Slept really nice, and then
Didn't even feel like we were on a ship.
Exactly. Yeah. So come for the ride with us, and we'll just check in with you guys momentarily.
Yeah. See you in a bit.
We are just starting the walking tour, the Nassau walking tour. Our lovely tour guide is just up front. So, yeah. Take you along with us.
Take a little bathroom break.
We began the day on this Nassau's walking tour. It was a beautiful day for walking. Our tour guide was up front. He was equipped with a microphone so we could hear him. We each had our own little microphone packet in our ears, and so we could hear everything that he was saying. He walked us through a detailed history of the Bahamas, Nassau, how everything was founded. He explained the sculptures around the area, showed us the national flower, which is the same as the Jamaican national tree, which was really fascinating to know because we're Jamaicans. So that was a great piece of history. We saw the hospital. We walked up the stairs that they had built for the Queen. It was just an amazing tour, and I highly recommend if you're ever in the Nassau, Bahamas area. Trying you, it's Wagwan.
What's up, everybody?
We are back, and you can see behind us here. Look at that view, oh my gosh, beautiful. That's the Atlantis building that lets you know that we are in Bahamas.
Atlantis.
Yeah, no, not Atlantis. Not Atlantis. Atlantis is under the sea, boy. So
we brought it back up. They brought it up. They knew we were coming.
That's right. That they respect the Tri-Newts, and so they definitely pulled out all the stops and took Atlantis back from the deep blue.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So pretty much we walked 66 steps because they said
we walked up 66 steps. Yeah.
So it was 66 steps to the top because they said they made it for the Queen. I forgot what Queen it was.
This one. I'm right here.
My apologies, Your Highness.
I'm right here.
Your Royal Highness. So they made 66 steps for the Royal Queen right here.
Yeah.
Yes, they said they knew the Queen was coming, and we were like,
right.
hurry. That's literally what the guy said, But yeah, so we walked up, and I guess this was the fort at the time when they had the slavery.
Guys,
during the time of slavery.
I gotta tell you something, guys. We just learned They are 1-to-1 with the US dollar here.
Yeah,
One coconut is $5.
I know, 1 to
We
1.
are not joking, and that's a cheap coconut. Okay?
Yeah.
That's not
1 to
the
1.
expensive one. Alright? They go up to $10.
Yeah.
So, you gonna
And
come
it's
here?
1 US dollar. 1
To one.
USD.
To one
They're
Bahamian
yeah.
dollar. Okay? So, just know that when you're planning to come to these parts. Understand? Okay, good. That's why the trying youths gotta come out here first
Test it
and
out
let
for
y'all
y'all.
know what's up. You know? I had to take off my glasses for that one because that was a whew, yes, sir. But
I don't know what I'm doing. I got a whole bunch of stuff on me.
he does, and he's confused by that.
I'm the cameraman, so you know, I feel like I'm
He's got
confused
the
right
gear,
now.
guys. He's
Yeah,
got
I'm the gear guy. But I'm gonna get it together, you know, as the channel continue to grow.
Yeah, we're learning.
Yeah, I
we're
learned
growing. We're
and grab
trying.
like camera bags and grab like different things.
That's it.
But it was a fun little trip.
It
Sweating.
was. We are
sweating.
sweating. It is hot out here, but there's
Oh,
a
no,
nice
there's a
little
nice
breeze blowing. So we're gonna walk around and see what
Grab a few
souvenir we
trinkets.
can get, knowing that it's 1-to-1. We don't know what we're gonna get, but we'll see. All right, guys. We'll check in with you later.
And off we go. Rainy day, rainy Sunday. Left the port. We fell asleep. It was like so hot. So now we're off to sea again. Hopefully this rain is not too crazy. But we're off.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
We are up and ready to go. It's day 3 of our cruise, and we are at Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas.
We're going to Half Moon Cay. Right now we're on towboat.
Yeah.
Towboat, not a towboat, but a taxi boat.
Yeah, shuttle boat.
Yeah. Because the island is not that big to dock.
Yeah,
So we have
it's
to
a
take
private island. So we're gonna take this like water shuttle over. Yeah.
Once we get over there, we'll let you guys see what's up.
Yeah, we'll check in with you all later.
Yeah, guys, so pretty much we're heading over to the island. We had to leave the ship behind. The ship was docked in the middle of the ocean. And then we have to take a ride. We're on the ride. And we have Debonair here, nervous. She's nervous. She's like, Lijon, please, keep still. You're giving me anxiety. I'm dressed like the boss of the ship. You look nice. You look very nice. Lijon, you're giving me anxiety.
By the way, have you hit that subscribe button yet? Consider doing so and become a part of the Trine fam. Recently, we hit 100 subscribers and we were over the moon. We are so thankful that 100 of you decided that you wanted to join our Trine family. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like.
Can you imagine how expensive this is? Because you gotta ship everything in.
Once we arrived on the ship's private island, Half Moon Cay, we were super excited. I was so relieved having to get off of that little boat and to be on the island finally. This was just going to be a relaxing day. We had booked a water bike activity, get that workout in, get that beach in and still be active and enjoy the day, and then do a little lounging around. The ship had brought food over for us, and so we could just do the similar thing of the buffet that's available on the ship. However, they transported everything to the island, so you were able to have your lunch with a view. It was beautiful. We had a blast walking around. It's a private island, so there's not much to see or much to do, but it's just beautiful to take in that crystal clear water and have that cool breeze, that beautiful sun glow down on your skin. It's amazing. So it was a great day, and we highly enjoyed ourselves. Hello.
Yeah.
Try and use one. We are here on Half Moon Cay, and we're just gonna do a little bit of exploring. We're gonna do a water bike, guys, and we're just gonna travel around the island and see what's here. It's a private island. You have to get here by boat, and we left our boat in the sea, and we hopped on a little shuttle over here. So yeah.
All right, so let's get it. Yes, guys.
Captain Dev reporting for duty.
Yes. Steering us to safety.
Yeah.
Yo, if you miss leg days,
This is not for
oh,
you. This one
my
is
legs.
not for you.
My legs are done.
These, yeah, that's what's gonna get us home.
Yes. Deg levs. Legs devs.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that, guys! Woo! Look at that!
Yo, you probably can't. It's choking over.
This is not simple, guys. I know it looks simple.
It's
but
not.
yeah, it is not simple. This is the exercise. This is the exercise. This is my exercise for today.
Yeah, this is not easy. This is not easy. I don't need no gym after this.
Nope.
Woo.
Yeah, guys. Come on, go down this road. When they move, just go down this side and wheel around and just chill right to say,
Chilling like a villain.
guys, our ship is way
Our
over
ship is
there.
like, whoa.
The water is so beautiful.
Yeah, it's clean.
It is. It's nice.
Because you know what? Probably just no human contamination.
It is very crystal clear,
Yeah.
blue. It's not really blue, but you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this big wheel. Oh, we drifted. We done drifted all the way over. Oh boy.
Oh. Yeah, guys. So, in a few.
Yeah.
Later.
That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.